Welcome viewers to the Founder Talk Show. I'm your host, Major Sunil Shetty. Entrepreneurs receive numerous calls every day and it becomes hard to keep track of them. So we end up missing calls. Though there are office solutions that can help you in diverting calls through an exchange, but most of these solutions are unaffordable, especially for early stage startups and businesses. This evening we have with us Prashant Lamba, who's a co-founder of Black Lab app. His startup provides affordable technology for diverting calls when you're busy. Welcome Prashant, welcome to the show.
Good evening, sir. Thank you very much. How are you?
Great, thank you. So Prashant, Black Lab app, as I understand it's an app and it helps startups and businesses. You provide affordable solution where one can use your solution for diverting calls. Could you throw some light on what exactly you do?
Every business receives hundreds of phone calls, as you said, and they'll end up missing a lot of calls. And those could be existing customers, they could be new customers. These businesses spend so much of money on marketing, social media, advertising, and a missed call is a missed opportunity, missed impression, a bad impression. So what happens? Your customer calls, they don't get you, they go to the next vendor for a particular service. So what we've done is Black Lab is an application that can answer your phone calls when you cannot. When I say you cannot, it means that when you are busy, when you are unreachable, let's say at any given point of a day in the night when you don't want to answer calls, or you're got a bad network area, or you can also set it up in an environment that says, hey, I want every call of mine to go to Black Lab and let every customer, every caller of mine get the identical great experience of calling and saying, thank you for calling my business. Our operating hours from this time to this time. Please press 1 if you want a service. Please press 2 if it's a billing request, or please press 3 if you're a new customer. And Black Lab can from there on route your call or collect a message or collect some sort of a customer ID or an input and handle your customer from there.
That's really good. But then for small companies, for startups, especially for early stage startups, for micro businesses, small businesses, they don't have huge teams and they don't have, usually when you see these EP-based solutions that you talk about, you need to install equipment, then you need some add-ons with it. How does while using your solution, do we need some add-ons that need to go or we need to install in our offices, or it is just an app which can do the job?
So Black Lab is an app which installs on your device, on your cell phone, existing cell phone. So you don't need to buy another phone. You don't need to buy a new number. You don't need to buy a new SIM card. No virtual numbers, no heavy duty or simple, even the simplest of PBX systems is not required. You activate or create an account, enable call divert or call forward on your existing mobile number from your number to the Black Lab provided number that has been given to you. Next time a person calls you, you reject the call or you don't answer it, Black Lab takes over. For example, thank you for calling. It will answer the call and say, thank you for calling my business. We are available. We are here to serve you. Press 1 if you're a new customer. Press 2 if this is to log a complaint or raise a ticket. And press 3 if you want to track the booking of your courier, for example. So for small business perspective, because all of them do business on their existing mobile numbers, one of the biggest challenges they face when they go to a typical vendor for cloud telephony is that, sir, we'll sell you a number, then the business has to go and publish new numbers to their audience. It's not easy. At the end of the day, you've run a business for maybe 8 to 10 years. You want to activate all these services on your existing number. And plus, they're small businesses. It's unaffordable to now go and buy additional numbers, toll-free numbers, pay for all the calls. So Black Lab solves that problem for you. And it gets activated on your existing number and it gets activated on your existing mobile device.
I can set if a number one has to go to, if they press 1, they have to go to a certain phone number, or it is to go to a certain or divert to another colleague of mine. Is that what I can do?
Yes, absolutely. So Black Lab, you have the option to configure, let's say your salesperson is sitting in another city and he's got a mobile number. So when they press 1 for sales, Black Lab will initiate a call to, so it's running in the cloud. and it will initiate a call to that salesperson. When the salesperson answers, the original caller is connected to them and they can speak to each other. If you have someone else for another department, well, it will transfer it there. We can reroute the call there also.
How do I access the missed calls? What's the procedure there? Do I get an SMS? Do I get a email saying that these are numbers or the calls I've missed out on?
Yes, sir. So great. Black Lab has two ways to do it. We provide you a dashboard wherein which all calls were answered by Black Lab show up on the dashboard. When I say Black Lab, it is even the greeting message if it's played, it will show up on the dashboard. It will show you who called, when they called, how long they spoke to, what option they selected, and who did they speak to eventually. We also have a facility where you can actually record the conversation. So if you are sitting here in your office, I can listen to the conversation that happened between my salesperson and my customer. Second thing is, Black Lab also has a facility where it automatically sends you an email at the end of the call for every phone call that comes into that it handles, telling you who called, the same information, who called, when they called, and who did they speak to. We also have a facility, Black Lab also has a facility wherein it sends an SMS to you. That's the owner of, as in me, or sorry, the owner of the account at the end of the call with the same information. In addition to that, Black Lab is also able to send an automated SMS to the customer or the caller who called it. That will say, thank you for calling my business. You can reach us at this for more information or chat with us. So we have a pre-constructed SMS template. In this way, many phone call inquiries are converted into what we call a digital record and a digital engagement, from where your customer who initially called you from the phone, he's now engaging with you on WhatsApp. So you're not wasting time and talking to every customer that calls you.
Does it also help in weeding out the spam calls?
Absolutely, sir.
Flagging them?
Absolutely. I have we personally witnessed in through some of our customers, users. They say it's phenomenal because all these guys who are calling to sell you a credit card or a home loan or a personal loan or whatever it is, they hear this and be like, oh, I think I've dialed the wrong number, and they hang up. And we see an average they hang up within 5 to 10 seconds because they say, oh, I'm not speaking to somebody. But your customer will stay on the line. Absolutely weeds out spam calls.
The other important thing is, pretty much everybody these days has, at least two SIM cards or two numbers, and most of them are in one single device.
Yes.
Is it possible to configure two numbers on the same device through Black Lab app?
Yes, sir. It's very much possible. Our recommendation is that you create two separate accounts for each of the SIM cards, because we always, by virtue of the market that or the user base that we have, each phone number is treated as an independent telephone system, or you can say an IVR. So if they have to create one more account for both their devices, very much. But we also recommend that you don't do both, so that when the customer selects an option and you don't want to publish your, let's say, your personal number or to your customers, Black Lab will reroute it back to you. So even though they call your business, they're greeted by an IVR message, and then Black Lab will say, okay, I want to speak to the manager of the business, and then they can reroute it back to your second SIM device, second number, and that's how people are leveraging it.
Now coming to the most important question, ours is a price-sensitive market. You say, you claim it's an affordable solution. Tell us what does it cost to have to take one of your solutions?
Sure. So we have two pricing. One is a monthly price and one is an annual price. The monthly price is for rupees 500 per month. In 500 rupees, you get an IVR system activated on your cell phone. You also get 150 minutes bundled within it, so that when your caller selects an option to speak to somebody and we actually reroute the call, that you can speak, you get 150 minutes on top of that. You get 150 minutes bundled with it. Those minutes can be used towards sending SMS to your customer or actually speaking to your customer. So at 500 rupees a month, here you are, and most of these customers we are seeing are spending maybe 15-20 minutes a day. It's a bundle, and as you're running out of minutes, we are going by the typical prepaid model. You top it up, and our minutes start at 1 rupee 25 paise per minute if you buy 100 minutes, Or if you feel that your usage is going to be maybe about 8 to 10,000 over the next 6 months, then you can buy a bundle packet of 10,000 minutes for 5,000 rupees. So that's 50 paisa per minute.
In today's world, when the voice call has become free, pretty much free, isn't that 1 rupee 25 paisa per minute on expensive side?
Sir, this is, yes, it does seem expensive. Also, remember that Black Lab does not charge you or does not bill you for minutes when a customer calls into the IVR and a call is handled by the IVR. Black Lab does not bill you for that call. That is covered under a subscription plan. So we have customers who are utilizing it and they don't answer the phone call. So at 500 rupees a month, they can receive approximately 10,000 calls or 5,000 calls or whatever quantity they have at only 500 rupees a month. For this, 2 for this, 3 for this. You leave a message, hang up the phone, you can receive 5,000 or 10,000 such calls, and we don't bill you additionally, you've covered under your 500 rupees. As this is an infrastructure business and it's all a volumes game, we believe that the price point of 1 rupee 25 paisa, which is actually the first question, sir, it is very expensive. Sir, when your usage goes up, you are going to pay a lesser volume. Secondly, the other thing that now the businesses are realizing after using it for 5 or 6 months is that, hey, if this system can help me convert a lead of say 500 rupees, then spending 3 rupees or 4 rupees on a phone call is no big deal. So now customers, even though a lot of customers are from tier 2, tier 3 areas of India, they are now realizing that, hey, on a 500 rupee order, I'm happy to spend those 2 rupees per minute, per phone call.
So what is this one, the minutes we are talking about? What does that cover? I mean, is the message that a caller might leave? Is that what it is? I mean, if the caller leaves a message which is about 30 seconds, you'll add up that to, you'll add all of that and then charge. Is that how it works?
No, sir. Those calls are, so let's take this again. It's 500 rupees a month in which we bundle 150 minutes. 500 rupees means the IVR can answer unlimited number of phone calls for you. Okay, whether it is 5,000, 10,000 callers keep calling you, no problem. We will answer it. When the caller selects an option of one to speak to sales and you have configured another salesperson's phone number, Black Lab will now dial that person's number. When that person answers the phone, that is when your minutes start getting deducted. You want to top it up, you top it up as per your convenience based on your usage.
Definitely, it's a solution that MSMEs can try out because
Yes,
most of us are hassled by the numerous calls we get, and also the fact that we miss out on calls, sometimes important business calls. Thank you, Prashant. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having us, sir. Have a good day.